Hey, happy Friday. How are you doing? Looking forward to the weekend. Let me tell you, it has been a fantastic week in math. We have been able to accomplish some quick quizzes, some retakes getting done. We had some work days in there as far as things for you to check and pay attention to. Ed Puzzle, there is a due date section on there. If there are no no videos listed in there, which is where all of our instruction is happening. If there's no videos listed in there, they're all caught up. If they haven't turned in a video, there will be a list of videos that are there. It'll say when the due date is. It'll be in red. It'll be past due date. So that's on Ed Puzzle. That's where that's going to house all of our content that we're teaching the students and the videos that they're supposed to watch to be able to get our instruction, okay? And then we did some Khan Academy this week, and we were working on some multiplication facts, just making sure that we have those down. We were also given the practice test on Thursday, which means we are going to be taking our test on Monday. So our very first test. Tests in math class are worth 70% of your grade. Okay, so it is important to do that. I did stress to the students, the most important homework assignment for all of Chapter 1 is the practice test. If you're not doing the practice test, you're not setting yourself up for success. The practice test is set up almost identical to what the test will look like, with the questions probably just changing numbers a little bit like that. Okay. Just a reminder, if students need help, my office hours, I'm almost always available during my office hours, so they should be popping in. Feel free to reach out to me with an email if you have a question, something doesn't seem right. Over the weekend, I would suggest that you work on quick quiz retakes for any targets 1, 2, and 3 that are not at a 4 out of 4, because that's what we're going to be taking our test on. Okay? All right. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you next week for a short week. Bye.